Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about how the OpenStreetMap tile server works and also try to implement some code that interacts with it. By the way, in case you missed the previous introductory video, you can just find it linked in the description below. We would be accessing the OpenStreetMap tile server simply using image tags in HTML. The map itself is formed using a grid of image tiles, so we'll just be using a grid of image tags of our own, where each image tag would represent a single image tile. The OpenStreetMap tile server accepts three parameters here. They are the Z, X, and Y, or whose values currently are written as 6, 45, and 28 respectively. Z here stands for the zoom level. So the higher the zoom level, the more zoomed in our maps would be, and the lower the zoom level, the more zoomed in it would be. And the X and Y values are used together to actually locate the particular tile that we require in the map grid. So for example, at a zoom level of 6 and X and Y values of 45 and 28 respectively, we get the following image of some area around Aurangabad. I'll be using Visual Studio Code as my ID for creating the map, and I'll also be using the live server extension in VS Code that enables me to refresh the application whenever I change my code. So let's begin by using an Emmet abbreviation to just generate some basic HTML code. And I'll just replace the document with what we require here. Maybe I'll just name it as interactive map, and I'll also create empty style and script tags for now. We can edit it later on as required. Speaking of style tags, I'll be only be using internal styling for now, so that the entire application is contained within a single file. However, in case our application grows in size in the future, we may just want to create new files as required. So let's come back to our example. We did get a proper image here, but realistically speaking, how do we actually know the X and Y values for a particular location at say a zoom level of at say any zoom level? We'd only know the latitude and longitudes of the location, and the zoom level is something that we can customize according to our need. So the only the only variables missing in the equation are the X and Y values. So how do we use our latitude and longitudes to actually get those values? Well, luckily we can just use mathematics to do so. The OpenStreetMap tiles are actually based on a formula as mentioned in this wiki page. I'll just scroll down to it a bit below. Yeah, as you can see here, I'll scroll a bit like this too. Yeah, so we can implement this formula if we require, but thankfully they've also given a lot of various implementations of that formula in different languages. So if we just scroll down a little, we'll be finding our implementation in JavaScript, which is this one. I'll just copy this and paste it in our script here. And okay, it's all in one line like this. I'll maybe prettify it a bit. Okay, let me put some white space here, white space there. Finally, one more. Yes. Okay, so let us also create a function that returns the image source URL for us, where we can just supply the zoom level, X and Y values, and it would return this particular URL for us. So I'll create that function, and maybe I'll name it tile to URL. So I'll supply the X, Y, and Z values, and it would just return me. I'll just copy this part and paste it here, and I'll just replace the Z here, X here, and 28 would be Y. Okay, now that we have our functions here, let's actually get to see some output using it. I'll require an image tag, obviously, because I want to use this particular source taken from here and view it in our HTML code. I'll have to use an ID so that I can refer to it in my JavaScript. I'll name the ID, say map tile, and sorry, I'll get a reference to it, document dot get element by ID, my ID being map tile. Okay, so I'll just refresh this for now. Of course, it's empty because we haven't actually given any source to that image. We'll do that just now. So say I want a location whose latitude and longitude values are 6. Okay. Or say the latitude value is 6 but the longitude value is 7. Okay, but I also require zoom level. So what would the zoom level be? I Let me take a zoom level of say 5. Okay, so now let's calculate those x and y values so that we can use our tile to URL function to get the source to our image. So x would be lon to tile, our longitude is 7 and zoom level is z. Similarly for y, lat to tile, latitude and z, and then we'll, okay, missing a space here for readability. Image dot source is tile to URL, and we'll just pass in our values here, and we are getting some output here. Now let's modify the zoom level to see if the zooming in and out actually works for the same location. So if I increase the zoom level from say 5 to 6, what do you think should happen? Well, if you've been paying attention, you would know that you would actually get a zoomed in value, and yes, that's what we are getting here. But instead of 6, maybe we are decreasing the zoom level to say 3. Now we are getting a zoomed out image, showing almost the entirety of Africa there. So in this way, we can interface with the OpenStreetMap tile server. In the next video, we'll be seeing how to create a grid of these images to be able to view the map more properly. So yeah, thanks for watching, yeah, and see you in the next video.